In this video I will explain you how to find total salaries of employees according to a particular department. So for example, department 10, here there is a department table. There is a department table. You can see here data. Here the department ID 10, administration, and department ID 20, there is marketing department name. So employees belonging to the particular department, we are calculating the salary. For here in the employees, as you can see here, department department 10, this employee salary here is 4,400. So sum of salary should come 4,400 only, because there is only one employee belongs to this department. Here there are two employees belonging to department 20, so we are adding the salaries of both the employees. 13,000 plus 6,000, 19,000. So this is our basic you can say, we are calculating here. So for this we can go to the application, go to the file, new application, select ADF Fusion Web Application, click OK. Here for example, app to application, select next. Model and view controller are the two projects, keep by default name. Let's close this overview. And here, as you can see here, in the model nothing is there. We will create the entity object, view object, and application module. Go to the model part, model, select business components from tables, create the new connection. For example, this is app2. Give the username and password. Click OK. We need the two tables here, departments table and employees table. So first let's create this package name as EO, entity object, and give separate entity name here by giving underscore EO, and here next employees EO. Click on next. Now create the view object, model.view, and here separate we are giving. It is easy to give like this when you are creating applications for a big project. It is easy for you. Click here. Now on next. Here application module we are giving click on next, finish. Now after creating this, what we have to do, go to the entity object, department's entity object. Here as you can see here there are 4 columns, so we are creating one new column. To do that, just click on the plus button, click on new attribute, and what we are keeping the name as sum of salaries. It is of type number, salary is of type number. Click OK. And here in this, what you have to give is, we want this column as a read only, so click on transient, and here updatable never. whatever the calculated salary is there, it should appear in the result. So here the query, you have to right click on the SQL radio button and select sum of salary from employees. Salary is the column of the employees table. So what we are doing, sum of salary, we are calculating the sum of salary from the employees table, where department ID is equal to department CO of department ID. So here if you see the general, here our entity object name is department CO. So department ID of employee table, we are see here department ID. The column name is department ID. Here department ID of employee table, we are checking with the entity object of our department's entity object of department ID. So we have to write the query there, and here what we have to do, we have to link it with the department's VO. Here we didn't get the column, so for this, okay, before that we will, let's check whether our application module is running or no. Yeah, it's running. As you can see here, department's name, yeah, sum of sal, that column is not configured here. So what we have to do, go to the department's view object, and here in the attributes you have to add attribute from entity object. Click on this sum of sal, click OK. Now let's run this application module again to see whether the salaries are coming. Yes, here the salary for department ID 10, the salary, it is not calculating that query. Something is wrong, only blank it is appearing. So read only is okay, but data should appear there. So let's see the query. Our query here, it is not saved. Let's write the SQL query properly. Select sum of salary from employees table. Employees, where department ID of employee table, where department ID of employee table is equal to department's entity object of U of department ID. This is our query. You, let's see, small letter is working. Now run this application. Application module, in place of department name, salary is coming. Why it is like that? Oh, we write the query where in the department name by mistake. See what you have to do. Control X. We have to give in the sum of cell, transient and updatable, never, and here SQL. Save this, run the application module again. Yeah, now it is appearing. See here, department name is shipping. Why it is coming read only? Let's see. Department name updatable, here always it was. Let's run. Updatable always means we can change. Okay. The department name is coming along with the sum of sal. As you can see here, department ID 10, for example, if you take, you can easily find with the find this option, department ID 10, for example, find. You can see here the sum of salary is coming 4400. If you want to verify these employees, go to the employees. Here department ID 10, there is only one employee, 4400 is the salary. And next, suppose if you want to calculate the department ID, no, not like this, find here 20, fine, the salary is coming 19,000. So how it is means, here you can see there are two employees belonging to the department ID 20, 13,000 plus 6,000 salary 19,000. So in the same way, other employees belonging to the particular departments, the salaries are coming here. We need to cancel this find, then all the records will appear. See here, all the records will appear. Here department ID 15, here the sum of salaries 15,156,400, and next like this for the department ID 46,500. Let's see 6,500 for department 40. Yeah, department 40 is here. Yeah, 6,500 is the salary, only one employee. So I hope this video is useful and helpful, how to find the sum of salaries of the employees of a particular department. So thanks for watching. For more videos you can go and subscribe my channel. You will get the informative videos.